beautiful. Perfecto. Let me get the skin off for the girls, by the way. See if I start loving that. Thank you, Matty. Appreciate it, champ. I can't wait myself too. It's very tasty. Don't do this at home, by the way, guys and girls. Take a peeler, something. All good, Pep. Pike. Good luck, man. Thanks for the lurk, bro. Yeah, indeed, Ravespurn, 100%, my man. And you can do that with beetroot juice too, of course. With the red cabbage juice, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. But the only downside, I think I'm going to buy one small electric pit. Because let it reduce the whole time and put the gas on the whole time, you know. I don't want to complain, but I promised Todd to use not too much gas today. So, you feel me? I don't want to be greedy, of course, but yeah. The gas is crazy at the moment. Yeah, I don't got induction, you know, so that's kind of hard then. But we got this. We're gonna make something amazing from it. That's the plan. So the skin is definitely dried out a little bit, so it's good I chopped it off. Ah, I'm not gonna reduce in the microwave, Kirschip. That's not good for your microwave, bro. Could do it, but I'm not advising that. Yeah, I totally understand that, Frody. But thanks for the ideas, Kirschip. No, that's a little bit too much moist for your high microwave, bro. A little bit too much moist in there. Are we gonna make a little end on the cabbage for now? I'm gonna finish it off a little bit. We can heat it up later, that's no problem. And I'm gonna preheat the oven already, by the way. I'm gonna preheat the oven in the house. And maybe if the rib is in there, guys, I'm maybe gonna put a little YouTube video on and I'm going to the toilet for a little moment. I can't help it, that's part of life, lol.